How to add events on WordPress website. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add events to your WordPress website. Without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Go to your Google account and then type in WordPress right here. Log into our WordPress account. Click on this one. Log in your account. Let's continue. So by the way guys, this has a plan, so we can't directly use this one because our trial has ended already, but in order for us to add this, they're going to show, and let's go and watch, or let's read some articles. Add events on WordPress website. So here, to add an event on a WordPress website, we must the event block to WordPress. Head over to a new page in the block editor, click on the plus symbol in the search event, see all the available event blocks. From there, click on your block of choice to see your event content embedded in your WordPress. So here, let's click on this. How to add event block. So here, when you're on your event block, just click on this plus sign right here, and then on the events block, this pro block is also available with free. The events calendar, true, it contains limited options. With the event list block, you'll find list upcoming events. So here, the events list block, and then the mini calendar block, you can also add this one. In order for you to add the title, number of events, and filters, match any, add filter, and then featured venue block. So you can add a title also here and the show, and it will show up here, and then the event countdown block will appear whether how many days or hours left for the event to be posted. So that simple step, you can add an event to your WordPress account. So let's go find a new, and also you can add a plugin right here. This one, the original calendar for WordPress, or the events calendar, you have to download this one. Once you've downloaded it, you can get it to your WordPress account and add it to your event so easily and comfortably. The events calendar is built to work out of the box. Simply install the plugin, configure your setting, and start creating events in minutes. So in that simple step, you can create and add events to your WordPress account. And that's it guys on our tutorial on how to add events to your WordPress website. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to create and manage events on your website, keeping your audience informed and engaged. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and also easy to follow. And guys, if you did, please don't forget to leave a comment and thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful WordPress tutorial and tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, guys, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, just remember those steps that we've discussed in this video. And thanks for watching guys, and we will see you on the next video.